Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple logo with Pixellab. Kindly subscribe to this channel to be getting updates, like, comment and share with your friends. This is the first page you see when you open your Pixellab. So what we're going to do, we're going to double tap, type in letters. You can use whichever alphabet you want to. Increase the size, change the font, you can find a link to this font in my description. Then reduce spacing, can increase or reduce it, whichever you want. Then add texture, select any image you want to use. After that, stroke, choose whichever color. You can increase or decrease. Let's leave it like that. Good. Then shadow, add shapes, circle, texture, and you add shapes again, circle, and go to layers and mesh the two circles. Then move on to erase colors. Stroke, shadow, and you can reduce the circle if you want. Yep. Then you can change to the background. Come over here and click transparent. You can save it like this if you don't want any background, or you can add colors to the background. Any nice color you want. And that's about it. Then save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also hit the subscribe button.